Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sync Microsoft Forms to Excel. Firstly, go to forms.office.com, then create your quiz, form or service, then click share to publish it and start collecting responses. Now go back to Microsoft Forms, open your form and go to Responses tab. Once you have at least one response, the Open in Excel button will appear. Just click it. Now this Excel file will automatically open in Excel for the web. The form and the spreadsheet will now be linked. New form responses will automatically populate the Excel sheet in real time, so no manual import needed. The Excel file must stay in OneDrive for sync to continue. If moved out, syncing will stop, and you can share the synced Excel file with team members via OneDrive for collaborative analysis of the survey data in real time. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.